it's Friday afternoon and we are going camping this weekend. We're headed to Maumee Bay State Park and we've got all 3 dogs with us and are looking forward to enjoying a nice weekend of hiking and just walking around the trails and relaxing around the campsite. I don't really know what to expect since we've never been there before, but we've had lots of great recommendations from friends that have camped here and have all agreed that it's a really nice, relaxing park. The sites are supposed to be fairly spacious, so that should be another bonus. So we will give you a full review once we get back. We're getting close, and it's been a long 2 hours in the car with these guys.
Yeah.
Turn left onto North Norton Road, then turn right onto Maumee Bay State Park.
So here we are pulling in Maumee Bay State Park, and it has been a long 2 hours. It's so windy, it's hard to stay in the lane. It's crazy. So.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Maumee Bay State Park.
I think I got it.
I think we're site 63. Is that right?
Yeah, 63.
Which we booked this back in like January, so I remember what it kind of looks like a little bit. Pretty sure it's one that has some privacy around it. Go straight.
I thought it said park office to the right. I assume we have to go there. I don't know.
But there was a lot of I think we should have went the other way, but I don't know for sure. It looked like some type of entrance or like a park office up there.
Oh.
I think we should have made a left there.
I thought it said park office this way, I'm sorry.
That's alright, I'll let you back it in up here and turn it
Well,
around.
I don't know what to tell you. Alright, here we are at Howard Marsh. We just got here a few minutes ago and we drove in our entrance here off of Howard Road. And actually on our way in, before we even got to the parking lot, I was able to find a black-necked stilt, which are known to nest in the area. So that is a new life bird for me. It was along this waterway, I think kind of right around this point here that we saw it. And now we're going to go look for the yellow-headed blackbird that's supposed to be seen in this area. They're supposed to be a nesting pair, so wish us luck. It's Sunday morning and we are headed home today, but we decided to take the dogs for a quick walk. and there's a geocache close by, so we're going to try to find it. It's called Bayview Beauty, and it's supposed to be within about 200 feet from here, so we'll see how I do. Okay, read it. Come on, guys, we gotta go find our geocache. All right, I'm getting close to the geocache.
It's like you're sneaking up on it.
Making sure nothing's not sneaking up on me.
Mosquitoes are crazy this morning here. It's about like 8:50 in the morning right now, something like that.
My clue is between a rock and a hard place. Oh, I see it.
Come here, Cash. Good.
Yeah, I don't know how to get to it.
Where is it?
It's on the ground over there.
Oh.
It fell down.
I see
I'm
it.
guessing that's not where it's supposed to be.
It must be the hard place.
Yeah.
Just go around. Looks like you can get it from the other side. Oh no, there's a bunch of. Come here, girl. Cash, come here, babe.
See, it's like purple and it's on the ground. Okay, I can get to it now.
Yeah.
Ugh, mosquitoes.
We're both gonna have malaria just getting this geocache. It was left open, by the way.
Yeah. Hopefully it was found recently.
Does it say on there?
You found me, please put me back.
Oh, okay.
Sure. Cash wants to get back. This log is completely soaked.
Someone left it open, so it's kind of.
Yeah.
It's in a waterproof container, but someone did not latch it back closed.
So, I will do my best to sign the log. And I actually brought a trackable along. I was going to leave here. So we will try to sign the wet log here.
Let's see the trackable.
Here's the trackable.
Try to focus it. There we go. I think, anyways.
So this is a travel bug, and we'll leave it here and see who finds it and where they can take it to. Ugh.
There's no way you can.
Well, I'm signing it, but I don't know if it'll stay. Nah. And then we might as well take a little purple airplane. We'll leave the trackable. Make sure the lid is clamped.
Yeah, we wouldn't want it to get wet.
Yeah. And it says it was supposed to be left between a rock and a hard place. I'm not really sure where that is. I hate to just sit it
Let's put it back where it's down.
on the ground, but I'm not sure where the exact location should have been, so I guess we'll leave it there. Okay. Here we can see something. Hi, we're just finishing up our weekend here at Maumee Bay State Park. It was our first experience camping here and we had a great time. The only downside is I felt like we ran out of time because there was a lot more to do, and we just really would have liked to get out and explore the park a little bit more than what we did. But we had great weather. We did some hiking, went on the boardwalk trail over by the lodge. We went over to Howard Marsh trying to find a yellow-headed blackbird that we did not find, but we still had a great time walking around and just checking out some of the other birds in the area.
That was a really cool place, the Howard Marsh. I don't think it's been here very long, just maybe short time. I don't know exactly how long. It seemed like it was kind of newer. So there's some people out kayaking on there. They have a kayak, like a launch over there, so people were out doing that, and there's a boardwalk that walks all the way around it, so it was kind of cool. You can access the entire park in some fashion or other. So yeah, we loved it here at Maumee Bay. It was a couple hours from home, kind of probably our farthest trip from home so far. We got here Friday and it seems like it went really quick for some reason. I know our last trip was a holiday weekend trip, so this one's a day shorter, so it seems like it kind of went a little quicker than obviously than the last one did. So there's a bunch of hiking trails we didn't get to, like Andrea mentioned, and then we'd like to come back and do those in the fall maybe. Flew the drone a little bit. It was some cool footage flying out over the campground and then out into Lake Erie, toward Lake Erie anyways, with the sunrise and sunset and things like that. So it was pretty nice. So we would definitely come back. It was nice and quiet. The sites are, we looked at this site online back in January and we actually tried to book the site next to it. And while we were online booking it, that site got taken, like literally out from under us as we were trying to book it. So so we just booked the next one over, which is 63, and it's actually, I think it's a better site. It's not quite as much shade, but there's enough shade here, and it's pretty spacious for us having the dogs. It worked out really well.
Yep, that's about it.
Yeah.
Like I said, we had a great time. Got me a new hat, Maumee Bay, so I can remember the trip.
Yeah.
We also found a geocache this morning. But yeah, it was just a great experience and something different, than some of the other parks around us, with having the water so close and just different types of trails. But the boardwalk, I would have liked to, kind of explore that a little bit more. And the nature center was closed when we stopped in there, but gives us another excuse to come back. So
there was some fireworks on Maumee on the Bay last night. Had some fireworks, like a huge fireworks show going on. So we heard that from here. We couldn't quite see it because it was overcast, but it was a little bit too far away to really see it. But it was kind of cool to hear. So that's pretty much it. We're going to Salt Fork in a couple weeks. Well, 4th of July week, and then probably somewhere between now and then, somewhere close. So please like and subscribe. This is our third video, or third camping video anyways. So we've had the channel for a couple weeks now, or just under a couple weeks. So like and subscribe, we appreciate that. And that's pretty much it.
yeah, we're also on Facebook and Instagram. If you're not one that watches YouTube, we're trying to keep those pages active, and with just some random pictures and information on there too. So
And it's following the Fitchs on all that stuff. So it's on Facebook and Instagram. It's following the Fitchs. It's all the same name. So we appreciate you watching.
thanks.
Yes! No! Get in the back now!